Hi, my name is Eric Davis, and I'd like to give a short presentation presenting the importance and the purpose of academic assessments in determining students' eligibility, featuring the Woodcock-Johnson number 4 test of achievement. The acronym is WRMT-3. Of course, the author is Richard W. Woodcock. Woodcock-Johnson number 4 test achievement can be used to assist with determining an individual academic strengths and weakness, diagnosing specific abilities and disabilities, and educational planning. The age and grade level is K through 12. Subtest information is 9 individually administered tests of reading readiness and reading achievement. When should the Woodcock-Johnson number 4 test of achievement should be chosen? Well, when students need to be measured in solving word problems, when students need to be measured to identify letters and words in isolation, when students need to be measured in reading a short passage and identifying missing words, when students need to be measured in the ability to apply phonics and instructional analysis skills using nonsense words, when students need to be measured when measuring the ability to solve mathematical calculations using a booklet which the students can respond in writing. We're requiring the students to read print statements and indicate whether they are true or false. Fluency to number facts problems to solve them in 3 minutes. Spell words that are dictated to him or her. The importance of proper interpretation of data. Well, the importance of proper interpretation of data help the evaluator compare students academically relative to the norms of the population, identify students for properly classification or placement in special education, give the evaluator understanding where a child's strengths and weakness in academic areas. The importance of getting the most reliable data possible. And the importance of getting the most reliable data possible. Reliable data is crucial for future placement, recommendation, expectations, and the appropriate service for a child. And that's why it's very important to get reliable data possible, because you want to be able to give the student uh, future placement recommendation, expectation of what is to be expected of them, how to build the IEP form if eligible, and appropriate service for a child. Thank you so much. Here's the reference.